Hello, today I'm in Ford Explorer. In this video I'll show you how to start driving this car. In the beginning, press brake to activate the car. Once the car is activated, take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Press button located on the top of the lever to activate park. Tilt whole lever to switch between park, neutral, reverse, drive and B. The B mode is mode thanks to which the car gets more energy from braking with engine while it's driving the downhill. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.